Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the intriguing world of adaptogenic herbs and spices. Get ready to discover how these incredible plants can help us adapt to stress and improve our overall well-being. Let's jump right in. Importance of managing stress. Stress is an inevitable part of life that can significantly impact our well-being. But fear not, because there are ways to manage and combat stress effectively. Introducing adaptogenic herbs and spices. Have you ever heard of adaptogenic herbs and spices? These natural wonders have the remarkable ability to help our bodies adapt to stress. They assist in responding to stress, boosting energy levels, and reducing fatigue. Let's explore their incredible benefits. Popular adaptogenic herbs and spices. Let's take a closer look at some widely known adaptogenic herbs and spices and the unique advantages they offer. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha, an ancient herb with a rich history, has been used for thousands of years to relieve stress, enhance mood, and improve energy and concentration. It works by blocking the stress pathway and reducing anxiety, while also lowering chronically elevated cortisol levels, known as the stress hormone. Rosemary. Not only does rosemary add a delightful aroma and flavor to our dishes, but it also possesses powerful adaptogenic properties. It contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds that can help balance various bodily functions, including digestion, memory, and concentration. Licorice. Licorice root is renowned for its soothing effects. Available in various forms such as tea, syrup, and candies, licorice helps soothe inflammation often associated with stress. It also aids in balancing cortisol levels, providing a calming effect during challenging times. Milk thistle. While not a direct adaptogen, milk thistle supports liver metabolism and detoxification. Promoting a healthy liver indirectly assists in managing stress-related hormones and contributes to overall well-being. Rhodiola. Rhodiola, found in different regions around the world, has been utilized for centuries to relieve stress, induce relaxation, and boost energy and immunity. It's widely recognized as one of the most potent adaptogens available. Panax ginseng.
Panax ginseng, distinct from other ginseng varieties, acts as a tonic to help individuals cope with stress and enhance general well-being.
Maca root. Maca root, a highly nutritious plant, is renowned for its hormone balancing effects. It offers benefits for both male and female health, enhances performance, and increases energy levels. However, it's important to consider individual taste preferences and potential side effects. Now that we're familiar with these incredible adaptogenic herbs and spices, it's crucial to know how to select the right ones for our needs. Researching the blend. When choosing an herbal product, it's essential to research the herbs in the blend. Ensure that each herb is included in sufficient quantities and that they can be safely combined. Additionally, consider the availability of these herbs, as rare varieties may not be easily obtainable for use in herbal products. Organic and sourced from natural habitat. Opt for herbs that are organic and sourced from their natural habitats. For instance, if a herb like maca originates from Peru, it's preferable to select a product sourced directly from Peru to ensure its authenticity and quality. Potential interactions. Lastly, be aware of any potential interactions between the chosen herb and other supplements, herbs, or medications you may be taking. It's always best to consult with a healthcare practitioner to ensure safety and avoid any undesirable effects. Remember to choose wisely and consult a healthcare practitioner if needed. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.